Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu rode on a JCB and also on rescue boats to reach out to people affected by unprecedented floods in Vijayawada that left large areas under water. Overnight, the 74-year-old TDP leader had stayed at the collectorate to monitor relief and rescue operations.
Control room activate చేస్తున్నా ఎంతవరకు చేయగలుగుతామో అన్ని చేసి అందరిని ఆదుకుంటాం 110 పైన బోట్లు పనిచేస్తున్నాయి అదే మాదిరిగా 4-6 హెలికాప్టర్లు వస్తున్నాయి ఒక హెలికాప్టర్లో ఫుడ్ పెట్టడం కానీ లేకుంటే బోట్లో తీసుకుపోవడం కానీ పేషెంట్లు తీసుకురావడం కానీ ఇవన్నీ జరుగుతున్నాయి వర్షం కూడా పడతా ఉంది అయినా కూడా ఎక్కడ ఆపరేషన్స్ ఆపం.
With Budameru stream passing through Vijayawada, submerging colonies, nearly 2 lakh people were forced to take shelter on rooftops and higher floors of buildings. 10 NDRF teams came in from Tamil Nadu, Punjab and Odisha. As many as 110 boats were used to move people from their homes. Rescue choppers airlifted those marooned and also supplied food, water and other essentials.
హెలికాప్టర్ అంటే నీళ్ళలో ఇరుక్కుపోయా మధ్యలో నువ్వు దెబ్బ మీద డాబా మీద పెద్దలంక.
In Telangana, after an emergency meeting at the Integrated Command and Control Center, Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, accompanied by senior ministers, visited Khammam, one of the worst affected districts, where 9 people could not be saved on Sunday because the choppers were unable to fly out in hostile weather.
అత్యధిక వర్షపాతం వల్ల విపత్కర పరిస్థితులు ఏర్పడినప్పటి నుంచి ప్రభుత్వం నిరంతరం మంత్రులను శాసనసభ్యులను క్షేత్రస్థాయిలో ప్రజలకు అందుబాటులో పెట్టి పర్యవేక్షిస్తూ In
Mehboobabaad, another badly affected district, the railway track was literally left hanging at Interkanne and there was a breach in many areas. As many as 456 trains have been cancelled and several others diverted. Roads literally disappeared in many areas like here in Mehboobabaad. The National Highway 65 that connects Hyderabad and Vijayawada was breached at multiple locations and caused a halt in movement of traffic. 34 centimeters of rain within 24 hours. That's a cloudburst that caused the flooding and the submergence of several colonies in Vijayawada. But there is also politics, some blaming a flood protection wall that was built by Jagan Mohan Reddy, some others saying that that is what had saved their lives. With camera person Nagraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.